How to fix Facebook 6-digit code not received. First of all, head over to your settings. Move into Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Right here, search for the application Facebook and then head over to it. Move into Permissions. Scroll down and tap on Location. So if you haven't allowed the permission of location, then it might be the reason that you aren't receiving the 6-digit code. In this case, all you gotta do is tap on the first option, Allow only while using the app. After you are done, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can do is go back and head over to Storage and Cache. Right here you need to clear the cache of the application, so tap on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the storage. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can try doing is go back and head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for VPN. Tons of VPN will be available to you. Move into any one of it and download it on your device. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. Click on Agree and Continue. It will land you on this page. Now tap on this icon and then click on OK. It will try to connect to the fastest server. There you go, you have been successfully connected to the fastest server. Likewise, your IP address has also been changed. After this, you will definitely receive the verification code and you'll be good to go. So this was for today and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.